following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Trinity County Sheriff Office is searching for Haven Barker, white, female, 8 years old, 4 feet 5 inches tall, 60 pounds, blonde hair, brown eyes. Police are looking for Charles ESTEP, 50 years old, American Indian-Alaskan native, male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 165 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2015 Honda Accord bearing Texas license plate number PY South 4575. The suspect was last seen in Cold Spring, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Trinity County Sheriff Office at 936-642-1424.